Happy morning, my dear 10th standard parents and my dear children. Here is an opportunity through Genius Adda Venkat Academy starts summer crash course 2023 and 24. Number 1, probe crash course on core subjects. Number 2, Prayog, the foundation framework crash course. Number 3, Fluent U spoken English class are the main core, and our spotlights are great rate of success, power-packed sessions, lifelong learning, unique shortcut tips for quicker learning. Here is another opportunity. The students of 10th grade of Venkateswara Matriculation School, today they are appearing for 10th board examination. And on behalf of the management, I wish all the best. And here is an opportunity for the 11th standard measurable and achievable scholarships are announced here. The children, those who score 80 and above percentage in the board examination will be getting the scholarship when they admit in 11th standard in Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School after the results. In between, we have started to build the children energy and their enrichment in the subjects. We are announcing the crash course. Kindly grab the opportunity and admit you and admit your children. Thank you very much.